Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Halawai to World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to do inbox type in Gmail account. So for this case we will go to the mail accounts where it is here, the settings, this is the inbox type, so default, important, first or unread. So any kinds of things we have selected that according to the selected option the thing has been way. So first first of all we have take what have, see what is the synchronized way. This is the primary promotion inbox important. See, this is the important thing, inbox type. Now I will do the important first and read first. Check, do this thing. See, so inbox type has been here. See, there are two options, everything else and here the unread thing. So I will do the important list first, that has been very important or essential for my practical life. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.